Are you ready for your daily sales tip with Tom? My tip for today is that you understand the needs and pain points of your prospect. And the only way to really understand what the needs and the pain points are is to ask. I know that sounds really ridiculous and elementary, but so many salespeople are focused on what their product can do for the client or the prospect without really understanding if that's exactly what the prospect needs. So the very first thing that you need to do is understand what those pain points are by asking really good questions. And I always start with the framework of what, why, what, why. What is your goal? What are you looking to accomplish? Why are you wanting to do that? What have you tried in the past that obviously hasn't worked? And then why is now the right time to actually do something? When you follow that framework, then you will understand exactly what the pain points are for your prospect, and you'll be able to book more deals. And there is your daily sales tip.